Okay, guys, here is the query which I asked in the group. So here I'm going to explain you the solutions. If you have any doubts, you can unmute by yourself and you can ask me doubts. And I just okay done. Now, what I mean to say is that first of all we have to find how many he applied the questions with answers. And here is the questions and answers. Totally 10 are there. These are the answers he applied for this. So we have to check how many he did correct and how many he did wrong. If we corrected more than 5, then he is pass. Else fail. It's very simple. Just look it out here. What I'll do, index of, I'll take whole table. So it will expect what you say, two things, row and column, because I have taken whole table. If you take only one range, it will expect either row or a column. But I did a whole table, so it is expecting a row and a column, both things. So what I'll do, I need the whole row. So I'll leave it blank like this. So I'll leave it blank. Now, what will be the column? Match of this, comma, in this, comma, 0. Now let me check whether it's what it is showing. F9. See, for the Kiran 7C, 3B, 2B, 9D, 10A, 3D, all are there. See here, all are there. Now it's not yet over. Here is the thing you have to do. That okay, I will change it. Wait a minute. I'll press enter and I will change it to Kiran to Ramu. Okay, now check whether it's working perfectly or not by pressing F9. 2B, 3A, 5D, 6B, 4C, everything correct. So what I'll do here, it's not yet over. So just I'm concatenating these both things because here is the question number and answers are there. So we want both things, question number and answers. So what I'll do, simply ampersand this thing. But here not yet over. Again here is the complex thing which is there. Okay, so if I press F9 to check whether it is working perfectly or not, wait a minute, F9. See, it's showing so less. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But it's showing all falses. What's wrong is here? Everything is right. See, if I concatenating F9 to show you the same things. But here it's not showing the all things. So what you will do here, just because, first of all, I will explain you. Here we took a whole row. Here it is the columns. For that reason, it is not checking whether it's correct or wrong. Okay, so what you'll do here, just do transpose. Only the concatenated part you have to do the transpose. So it will convert to rows into columns. When I press F9, see, here is true, from here is true, all truths are there, see now. Where is again true, wait a minute, some truth and some falses are there, okay. So what I'll do, just convert this truth into falses by using double negative. Here is the operator sign is there. For that reason, you have to force into one parenthesis. Now it will convert once in true as 1 and false as a 0. Now let us check whether it is working perfectly or not by using some product. F9, 6. Control enter. And it's an array. We have used the transpose function. It's an array, so you have to use control shift and enter. Right. So here is the thing you have to do, that if this is greater than 5, then pass, then pass, else fail. This is the thing we have to do. First of all, we have to get the whole data as per the student name. Then it's in a row. So we have to here also in columns. So we are concatenating. For that reason, it is showing it is in a columns. Here is the rows. So convert rows into columns by using transpose function. Then it will show you the correct answer. Right. And another thing here is second one. Everyone is getting confused in this. So step by step I'll explain you. Right. Is equal to, first of all, we need large, right? So what I'll do, large of, what I'll do, just totally 3 conditions, and the k value will be the 3. Okay. So I will show you how to do that one. A representative 2. Okay. So I will take this one, F4 equal to representative 2, and month of this, F4 equal to month of this, and year of this, F4 equal to year. Now the large part is over. The large part is over. Now I need the k value. K value, what will be the like this, 1, 2, 3, because here it is 3. Okay, but here not yet over, guys. Here is the thing you have to understand. So whenever I change this one, it should auto update over the k values, that is 1 to 5. If I take 2, 1 to 2. So here it is working, right? Okay, F9. See, here it is working. It's not a big matter. But, okay, large is over. Here again I have to do another one, that is this one, sales part. Now here you have to do that one is, okay, we can do this one like this, F9, it will give the answer. That's not a big issue. Some product, close parenthesis, enter, it will give you the answer. But it is not our dynamic. I mean to say, if I enter 2 here, it will not change. If I enter 4 here, it will not change. If I enter 2, it will not change. I want the sum of first to largest 2 things. But we hard coded that one like this. So what I'll do here, I'll show you one thing, that row of indirect, I'll make it like this. First and this one. F9, see, it is taking 1 and 2. If I enter, if I change to 3 here, F2 and F9, see, 1, 2, 3. So what I'll do, just I'll copy this formula from here and I'll paste it in the K part, in the K place. Control V. F9. See, now also it's working perfectly. Control Enter. Now I'll change this 3 to 2. Okay, actually there is we'll change it and we'll check it from here, like representative are there, representative 1 and 10, and February is not there, so we'll make it Jan. See, Jan of top 2. F9, not that one. I'll show you this one. Array part F9. See, 189. So what I'll do, I'll change it to 3. Let me check if third largest is there or not. I think third largest is not there. For that period, is not changing. See, 0. Only two things are there. Third largest is not there. For that period, is showing the 0. And if you have any doubt, ask me in the comment box. Coming to third part, what I said, you have to, whenever I enter any number, any name, sorry, any letter from here, like G, GHK. So sum of GHK, G, H, and K, it should be 26. Right. So what I'll do here, I'll do one formula, that is mid of, comma, row of indirect, ampersand, length of this. This one also closed, and I need each and every character from the cell. F9, so GHK. So here what I'll do, there is the ultimate function like lookup. Lookup will look up all the values in lookup value, whatever it may be. And it's a sorted one. So directly I'm taking like this, close parenthesis, F9, 7, 8, 11. Just I will do some product over here. Some product over here and enter. If I take only one letter, that is A, it has to take 1. If I take AC, it has to take 1 and 3, 4. If I take H and K, H and K, 8 and 11, 19 it has to take, see. Okay, understood? Now, coming to another one, that is fourth one. Okay, it's very easy. It's very, very, very easy. We can do it by VLOOKUP also. No, so not VLOOKUP. Not VLOOKUP, we will do with index and match. Okay, first of all, what you will do, you have to concatenate these both things. This ampersand this. Right, F9. So it will give you the answer. Okay, so what I'll do, okay, nothing will happen. Match of this both things, comma, I'll take this thing, ampersand this thing, comma 0, F9. So it will give you the position where it is. See how it will look up value. It will concatenate both things, and it will look up the position where it is. Now what I'll use, we need the date of birth, index of this, control shift down arrow, F4, comma, and here also I did not log it, so you have to log it by pressing F4 key and close parenthesis. Now it's an array function, you have to use control shift and enter. Suman Kumar, 12th Feb. Okay, it's very easy, guys. And coming to fifth part, it's the same thing. Here also you have to concatenate the same formula. You have to get the price, right? The same formula. Match of this ampersand, match of this, comma, join both things by using ampersand, comma 0. Here also, say control shift and enter. Right. This is the very big company, reputed company, has given an interview question for the post of MIS. And coming to sixth part, the correct answer is 1. Okay, so what I'll do, simple thing, I'll make all positive first of all. If you will do direct min, what it will give? It will give you the negative number, see. But we need the positive number, right? So what we'll do here, first of all, make it as all positives by using absolute function. Minus 32, it will become plus 32. because we don't need the min. Now take a min of this, close parenthesis, enter. Wrong answer. Because we use the array. So you have to use control shift and enter. Okay, this is a simple thing. You have to convert negative to positive and check from there, check whether it is where it is the minimum number. Okay. And coming to seventh part, what I said minus 3, I want to find out the first occurrence of a positive number here. Okay, first occurrence of a positive number. So what I'll do here, first occurrence of a positive number, but not 0. 0 is a neutral, neither positive nor true. It's not a negative number or it's not a positive number. So ignore of 0. We have to take a number which is greater than 0. That is first occurrence. So what I'll do, first of all, I'll select all both things greater than 0. F9. See, it will give all the things which is greater than 0 but not equal 0. 0 is neither positive nor negative. So you are not supposed to take a 0. So what I'll do, I'll use match function to look up the position of a true which is greater than 0, comma 0. F9. So it will pick up the fifth position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 0 is, again I'm repeating, 0 is neither a positive nor a negative. So 0 should not consider as a positive number. It should be it should not a positive or negative. Okay. So what is the positive number? That is 4. In fifth position it is there. So simply use an index formula to get this one. Control shift and enter. First occurrence of a positive number. We will know the first occurrence of a negative number, but first occurrence of a positive number which is not equal to or greater than 0. Now coming to eighth one. So which one I use this one? Which formula? So simply I'm saying that I use this formula to find out the largest of two ranks. See here it is. Largest of, I'll zoom a little bit again. Largest of a two, see, largest of a two things I have done. Large, if this is equal to JKL, take all the table and find out this first and second largest. See here, I will show you array F9. Sorry, not these things. Whole thing I will take. So it will pick up the two largest, that is 48, 48. Here it is, two 48s are there. For that reason it is showing 48, 48. Okay. Now coming to ninth one. I will explain ninth one by evening or by tomorrow. I already done the solution. Don't think that I have not done. I have done the solution because it take much long time. So I don't want to, because I have a lot of work for that reason, I don't want to make this one now. By today evening or by tomorrow, I will explain this. I already did. If you want, you can check it that I'll simply ABC, put 17. Any number like C, O, U. Here C is there, O here, and U is there. C means 17, O means 47, and U means 19. These three things should add. If I press enter, C, O, U, 83. Here I will show you. If you want, C plus O plus U. If I enter PQR, it has to take only the 30 because PQR 90 it is taken. Something wrong here. Should not take PQR. Let me check. Like DEF 99. Okay, something went wrong here. Should not take 99. It has to take 33 only. Okay, we'll check it later. This one. Coming to the 10th one, I will explain you this one by today evening or by tomorrow. And 10th one is simple, very simple. Okay, very simple. Here they are misguiding you that it is in one cell, but it's not in one cell, it is in two cells. See, two cells. Just they want to misguide you that you have to you are thinking that it is in one cell, it is a merged cell. It is not a merged cell, it is a two cells. See, again I'm repeating, it is in G12 and here is G13. Simply do VLOOKUP. Simply what you will do, just concatenate by this. Wait a minute, VLOOKUP of, I don't know why it's home. Go to VLOOKUP of this one G12 and G13. G12 ampersand G13. G13. So we have concatenated both things. F9. F9, see. And here is the thing, everyone directly they will do lookup, but it will not work. Why? I'll explain you. Comma 2, comma 0. It will not work. Why? I explain you in here. Because here is the spaces are there. I did not done any spaces over here. Just use one space and ampersand. That's it. Enter. Peter Rose, one Rajinikanth. Okay, we'll make it Rajinikanth here. Rajinikanth. Rajinikanth. See. Okay. And by today evening or by tomorrow, I will explain you the ninth one because it will take long time. So I don't want to, because I'm having a lot of work. Thank you guys. Thanks for your support. And signing off, Rajinikanth, ExcelGuru.